Hey, what's up, guys? Cat Dog Gaming here, and today, let's try that. Hey, what's up, guys? Cat Dog Gaming here, and welcome to the vlog today. And today, I'm gonna go swimming. Well, I already did, but I didn't like it. So yeah, I'm not gonna go swimming. You can already probably tell. Wait, okay, watch. See this, and you tell me what's happening. I got light. Oh, look it. What up, bruh? Hey, YouTube. You better show. Today, in this vlog, I'm going to be talking about space. So okay, no, it's not. No, I'm not. But today, oh shit. No! It broke. No. Sucks. I mean, I only need this part, but it'd be cool to build. I can almost taste the food. No, I'm just kidding. But today, doing the review. And it's going to be on two things today. So, keep your eyes out. And keep your eyes out. And today, I got this, guys. So yeah, check it out. That's not even what's in it. So to start off with the stuff I don't need in it. Nerf darts. Husky blade. The toughest name in tools. Like for opening packages and stuff. I'm not careful enough to have them, so yeah. This has been in one of my videos before. And it's got a knife. It's got this. And I will be posting a Scribblenauts video up, so keep that on your list. Next, I got these. And okay, so let me just. Okay, so that's normal, right? Look it. That white. I'm not gonna do that. And I think we just need to do this to get it back in. Or you could just like pull it. But I don't. I mean, I do it sometimes, but not every day because it can break, guys. Oh, this has also been in one of my videos. I called it Wings First Vlog, which was uploaded like last week or something, and I used these two tools together. Next up, I a lot of these tools are my dad's because he has them and dad need them, and so he gets this. Next up, another Husky screwdriver. Screwdriver, not screwdriver. Ha. Time to funny a day. Then I start. Body hammer. You use it to pound out the dents.